How you doing today?
What is this?
How are you?
Oh, I don't consent to being filmed.
Oh, it's okay. You came to work today?
That's just another right.
Just smile for the camera, girl. You work for the public. You have a nice smile.
I know, but I don't want to be on camera.
Oh, you know.
I don't know what's this
You're
for.
on camera right there.
Yeah, but I'm at work too.
I know, and you're on camera at work.
You came to
Yeah,
work today and
for-
you work for the public, and we're just showing, the rest of the
But
public.
I'm not consenting to.
No, yeah, you did.
this release
You
of
actually
that.
you did when you came to work today. When you signed the application for your government job. Yeah, you work for the public, man.
I'm working for the public, but I didn't
That's right.
consent to you
Oh no.
to record me
well,
or place that on the internet.
Unfortunately, my mama gave me consent when she birthed
That's
me.
fine.
You know what I mean? Because I'm free. Anyways, have a good
You're
day.
absolutely right. Have
Thank
a great
you.
day.